In the freezing desert of Antarctica, there is a waterfall that bleeds. Known as Blood Falls, this terrifying crimson stream flows out of a solid white glacier. For decades, it baffled scientists. But the truth is even more shocking, and it connects directly to Mars. Deep beneath the ice lies a trapped, subglacial lake with zero oxygen and absolutely no light. Yet, ancient microbes survive here by eating iron. NASA scientists believe that if life exists on Mars or Jupiter's moon Europa, it looks exactly like this hidden alien ecosystem on Earth. Is this proof of extraterrestrial life? Subscribe to Aura Z for more space secrets.